Well, you can ride it on road, or you can ride it off-road in the trails, you know, in the woods, wherever you want to. It's designed for both.
That phone conversation was prompted by this letter from Continental Marketing in California. It says we've been selected to receive a Commissura 250 VRX motorcycle. The letter says it's the hottest vehicle in its class. They have even included these phony registration papers for my bike. The gentleman says the motorcycle is free, but we must pay shipping and handling of $367. For the sake of the scam, we bite. 4.5 months after we pay, a big box arrives. The shipping charges are only $75 according to Roadway Trucking, not $367 that we paid Continental. And it came from a California firm called Analog. And if you thought we were getting a 250cc motorcycle, you're a bigger sucker than we are.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. There's our 250 VRX motorcycle.
The engine is tiny. The vehicle ID number is in Chinese. So are the valve stems needed to fill our tires at an American pump. This is the hottest vehicle in its class. Soon the scoffers gather to point out the obvious.
It has a battery.
Here's your pedals. Pedals?
Yeah.
Here's the pedalless son of a...
Pedals. Oh, well.
I think once it's assembled, though, you'll be the envy of the neighborhood.
Which neighborhood?
It takes 3 men 3 hours to wade through the Chinese translation of instructions and put the thing together. The crowning touch, we muse, is the basket. Then comes the moment of truth. Will it run?
Okay, here we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Hey, oh, it's kicking.
It's classified in California as a motorcycle.
Does it have pedals?
Don't fail me now.
Uh-huh. It's, yeah, it's got pedals.
So it's a moped?
No, sir. It's classified as a motorcycle. It gets 50 miles an hour on the road.
If that's so, then why does Channel 2's production manager beat my motorcycle in a foot race 3 times? By now our moped is tired too. It's dripping gas and oil from the engine. That impresses motorcycle dealer David Redway too.
We wouldn't necessarily be able to service them or sell them or anything in this area. I'd say it was something maybe as dated as much as 20 years ago is what we would have been producing in this country.